On December 2, 2022, the United States unveiled the B-21 Raider, marking the arrival of the world's first sixth-generation stealth bomber. A significant leap forward in military aviation, the B-21 promises to change the nature of strategic deterrence, bringing unparalleled capabilities to the U.S. Air Force and reshaping how the world views aerial warfare. The B-21 isn't just an upgrade from previous bombers like the B-2 Spirit or the F-117 Nighthawk. It's a revolutionary aircraft that promises to carry out missions once thought impossible, redefining the boundaries of stealth, precision, and airstrike capability. Let's dive into what makes the B-21 so exceptional, its historical context, and why it's poised to become a game-changer in global defense. A brief history of stealth aircraft. The development of stealth bombers began in the 1980s, culminating in the B-2 Spirit, which was officially revealed to the public in 1988. At the time, the B-2 marked a seismic shift in aircraft design and capability. Unlike its predecessors, the B-2's design allowed it to evade radar detection, making it an invaluable tool in penetrating enemy defenses during the Cold War. The F-117 Nighthawk, the world's first stealth fighter, had already been flying for years before the B-2 was unveiled, but it lacked the operational range and capabilities required for strategic bombing. The B-2, with its sleek, almost organic design, was a far more formidable aircraft, and its stealth technology allowed it to carry out deep penetration strikes over enemy territory, even during a nuclear war scenario. The B-2's primary mission was to penetrate Soviet airspace, destroying nuclear missile sites and command posts before they could be used against the United States. While it never had to perform that mission in anger, its role in strategic deterrence was clear. However, despite its impressive design, the B-2 came with its own set of limitations. The B-21 Raider. What makes it different? While the B-2 remains an incredibly capable bomber, the B-21 Raider represents a seismic shift in air power. The B-21 is designed to be far more versatile, efficient, and capable than its predecessor, with enhanced stealth features, greater range, and the ability to penetrate modern air defense systems. Stealth capabilities. One of the B-21's standout features is its stealth capabilities. Stealth technology has evolved significantly since the B-2's introduction, and the B-21 is expected to surpass it in several key areas. While specific details about the B-21's stealth features remain classified, it is widely believed that the aircraft will employ next-generation materials and advanced radar-absorbing coatings that will make it even harder to detect by enemy radar systems. The B-2 was already one of the most radar-evading aircraft ever made, but with advancements in materials science and computing, the B-21 will likely be even more difficult to track. The B-21 will also take advantage of cutting-edge design features that make it more challenging for adversary radar systems to pick up its signature. As U.S. Secretary of Defense Lloyd J. Austin pointed out during the B-21's reveal, even the most sophisticated air defense systems would struggle to threaten the B-21. This could drastically shift the balance of power in terms of offensive air capabilities, as the B-21 would be able to strike deep into enemy territory without worrying about being detected or intercepted. Range and efficiency. The B-21 Raider also addresses one of the main shortcomings of the B-2, range. The B-2 has an unrefueled range of about 6,000 nautical miles, which is adequate for many missions, but not enough to cover the vast distances required to reach some potential conflict zones, such as the South Pacific, where U.S. forces need to respond to Chinese aggression. In contrast, the B-21 is expected to be capable of flying anywhere in the world without requiring logistical support. This would mark a significant breakthrough, allowing the B-21 to strike targets across the globe from safe U.S. airfields far outside the range of enemy ballistic missiles. The aircraft will likely achieve this incredible capability through the development of more efficient engines and improved aerodynamics, allowing it to fly higher, faster, and longer than its predecessors. The B-21's ability to operate from remote U.S. airfields while maintaining its stealth is crucial in countering adversaries like China, whose ballistic missiles threaten U.S. bases in the Pacific. By removing the need for mid-air refueling, which exposes the aircraft's flight path, the B-21 would significantly reduce its vulnerability to enemy detection and interception. Adaptability and open architecture. Another revolutionary feature of the B-21 is its open architecture design, which ensures that the aircraft can remain operational and relevant for decades to come. One of the key challenges of older platforms, such as the B-2, has been that once a system is built, it becomes difficult to update its components and software. The B-21, however, is built with future upgrades in mind, allowing it to adapt to new technologies and mission requirements. The aircraft's modular design will enable the Air Force to replace and upgrade specific systems without overhauling the entire airframe, ensuring that the B-21 remains state-of-the-art throughout its service life. This adaptability is particularly important as military technology advances rapidly, and the B-21 will be able to integrate new sensors, weapons, and communication systems as they become available. Cost efficiency and production. Despite its cutting-edge technology, the B-21 is expected to be significantly more affordable than the B-2, which came with a staggering price tag of around $2 billion per airframe. The B-21 has a must-not-exceed price of approximately $600 million, which is a far more reasonable cost for such an advanced aircraft. The B-21 will also be built in larger numbers than the B-2, which suffered from underproduction due to the end of the Cold War and the collapse of the Soviet Union. The Air Force plans to purchase at least 100 B-21s, creating a robust fleet that will serve as a credible deterrent against adversaries. The economies of scale from purchasing a large number of aircraft will help bring down the cost per unit, making the B-21 much more affordable for the Air Force. The B-21's multi-role capabilities. One of the most significant advancements with the B-21 is its multi-role capabilities. Unlike previous bombers, the B-21 is designed to perform a variety of missions, including intelligence gathering, battle management, and forward observation. The B-21 is capable of not only carrying out strategic bombing missions, but also acting as a command and control node that can coordinate with other assets in a theater of operations. The aircraft's ability to act as a battle management tool will be crucial in future conflicts, as it will allow U.S. forces to stay one step ahead of their adversaries by providing real-time intelligence and coordinating attacks across multiple domains: air, land, sea, space, and cyberspace. In essence, the B-21 will not just be a formidable strike platform. It will also help shake the battlefield and integrate with allied forces to maximize the lethality of the overall military operation. The B-21's role in modern warfare. The B-21 is designed for a world where multi-domain operations are essential. As military forces evolve to confront new threats, the B-21 will play a crucial role in deterring aggression from state and non-state actors alike. Its advanced stealth, global reach, and adaptability make it a key asset for maintaining the credibility of the U.S. military's nuclear deterrence and ensuring that potential adversaries think twice before challenging U.S. interests. A new era of air power. The B-21 Raider represents the next chapter in the evolution of strategic bombers. While the B-2 Spirit was designed during the Cold War to counter a specific threat, the B-21 is a modern, adaptable platform that is built to counter current and future threats. Its ability to operate with greater range, lower cost, and higher flexibility makes it the future of U.S. air power. Despite the advancements of the B-21, however, the greatest hope for its existence is that it will never be used in anger. Like its predecessor, the B-2, the B-21 is a deterrent weapon. Its mere presence is enough to send a message to potential adversaries that the costs of aggression far outweigh any possible gains. The B-21 Raider is a remarkable feat of engineering and a symbol of the United States' commitment to maintaining air dominance in a rapidly changing world. As the most advanced bomber ever built, it will likely define air power for generations to come. If you enjoyed this video into one of the most advanced bombers ever created, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth content on cutting-edge military technology. Comment below with your thoughts on the B-21. Do you think it will change the way wars are fought? Thanks for watching, and see you next time.